How to fix Blue Archive crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So you want to first right click on the game in your library, go to Properties, Installed Files, and you want to click on Verify the integrity of game files, and just wait for this process to finish verifying your files. Now once it's done verifying, you want to click on the Browse button, and you want to right click on the Games exe here. So for example, you want to right click on the Games exe, go to Properties, Compatibility, and make sure to check both of these options right here. Now you click on Apply and OK. Now you can close this folder. And now you will need to try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. And if for some reason the problem persists, here's what you can do. You want to open up your GPU application. So if you have an Nvidia GPU, you'll most likely have this Nvidia app installed. If not, you will need to download and install it, and then go to drivers section. Click on this arrow to check for the latest updates, and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now, if you do have that already, you can close this window and open up your browser. And in the search bar, you want to type redist, like this, and then you want to click on the first link and scroll down a little bit till you see this table right here. Now you want to click on the link next to 86 and the link next to 64, which will download the redistributables installers. You will need to download both of these and install them right away. And once they are done installing, you will need to restart Steam. So you can go to the task manager and close Steam from here first. Right click on Steam and click End Task. Now you want to search for Steam and run it as administrator. And then you will simply need to go to your library and launch the game again. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.